The Canon EOS 4 is not just another camera release. It is the fundamental shift the industry has been waiting for. And for the first time in nearly a decade, Canon is completely rewriting the rulebook on what a hybrid powerhouse can achieve. Rumors have been circulating for months, but as we move closer to the official unveiling, the puzzle pieces are finally coming together to reveal a machine that is designed to obliterate the competition. Photographers and filmmakers who have felt stagnant with their current gear are about to see a massive leap in sensor technology, autofocus precision, and AI-driven processing that makes existing flagships look like relics of the past. This isn't just about megapixels or frames per second. It's about a new architecture that integrates deep learning capabilities directly into the imaging pipeline, allowing for real-time adjustments that were previously only possible in post-production. We are looking at a sensor that promises industry-leading dynamic range, effectively rendering high-contrast lighting situations trivial, and a stabilization system so advanced it makes bulky external gimbals look obsolete. The anticipation surrounding the release date has reached a fever pitch because the 2026 launch isn't merely a corporate milestone. It is the culmination of years of iterative R&D finally breaking free. Insiders suggest that the launch is strategically timed to capture the peak of the creator economy, with features specifically engineered for high-end cinematic production and extreme sports photography. Imagine a camera that recognizes your subject's intent before you even press the shutter, locking focus with an accuracy that borders on predictive. This device is being built for the pros who need to capture the decisive moment in environments that destroy standard equipment, boasting weather sealing that sets a new gold standard for durability. But beyond the specs, the real story is how Canon plans to integrate this camera into a wider ecosystem of wireless connectivity, enabling professional photographers to push content from the field to a studio server instantaneously, ensuring that speed is no longer an enemy of quality. As we dissect the manufacturing leaks and patent filings, it becomes clear that the internal cooling system has been a massive focus, allowing for unlimited 8K recording without the thermal throttling that has plagued other high-performance cameras. This is a game-changer for documentary filmmakers and long-form creators who need reliable performance under pressure. The ergonomics have been completely overhauled as well, moving toward a more intuitive, customizable interface that allows the shooter to spend less time digging through menus and more time focusing on the art of the shot. Every button, dial, and touch-sensitive surface has been mapped based on feedback from top-tier professional photographers, creating a workflow that feels like an extension of your own hand. We are entering an era where the camera is no longer just a tool, but an intelligent partner that adapts to your creative process. The shift toward this new model also signals a total transition in Canon's lens ecosystem, with a new series of optics designed specifically to resolve the extreme sharpness that this new sensor demands. These aren't just minor updates. They are optically superior glass elements that redefine edge-to-edge clarity and bokeh rendering. When you pair this level of glass with the processing power of the new Digic engine, the results are simply clinical in their perfection. We're talking about a leap that makes the transition from DSLR to mirrorless seem like a minor update by comparison. For those who have been holding off on a major investment, waiting for the technology to mature, the EOS 4 represents the ceiling of what is possible in modern digital imaging. The market impact will be profound, forcing every other manufacturer to respond to a new benchmark in low-light sensitivity and computational photography. When you see the sample footage, which we expect to see released in controlled batches leading up to the final date, you will realize that the noise floor has been virtually eliminated, even at insanely high ISO settings. This opens up entirely new genres of photography and videography that were previously impossible without massive lighting setups. It is about democratizing the kind of quality that was once reserved for $100,000 cinema CA. Morass, now packed into a body that you can carry in your everyday gear bag. The 2026 launch date is a watershed moment, and by the time this camera hits the shelves, the landscape of visual storytelling will have fundamentally shifted, leaving those who haven't adapted to the new reality behind.